All right, thank you. Thank you very much.
Threw away your love letters. I thought it'd make me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you on my head. I'm sending you this one text at a time. I know you're by your phone, boy, pick up your line. And I ain't too far out to beg, but what's been said has been said. Ooh, and I need you. You don't know what love is. I need you to know.
From my nail appointment. The rain. I look really tired. I look like an Ajia today.
A few moments later.
I like the lashes, nice.
Yeah, they look good on your eyes.
Yeah, thank you. See, I'm done with my lashes. I actually slept a lot, like I was knocked out. I've had a very, very crazy week. Very busy weekend, to be honest. I'm looking forward to my holiday because I deserve it. I need to have enough rest. I'll be heading back home now. Oh my god, it's raining. Oof. Then so I paid £55 for this, right? And yeah, I think it looks nice. I'll be heading back. Oh my god, I'm so cold, guys. Do you know, last 2 days ago it was sunny as hell, and now it's raining. I do not understand the weather in this country. It pisses me off because you don't even know how to dress, right? It is ridiculous. The weather in this country, yeah, it pisses me off because it's just like epileptic, innit? You dress for sunny weather, then it rains. You dress for rainy weather, then it's so hot. It's really annoying. I hope I'm going through. Yeah, I think I came through here. So I'm going home. I'm gonna start packing. So I'm gonna start packing my stuffs. Now I feel like I should get an Uber. God.
A few moments later.
So you have like different pouches, right? You can put your bikini somewhere, different stuff somewhere. So let's see how it's gonna work now. I'm gonna try to pack it now and you guys can see. So I'm gonna be putting the stuff in my pouches. I'm gonna take my bikini. So my bikini.
This used to be my favorite summer song. I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it. Well, is it too late to try? Cause in the time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spend on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all.
Let's go party.